it's Nicole, and I'm here with my design team package for the month of April. So let's get right into it. So first, there's these flares. I got 2 packages of them. So awesome, because I love flares. And it's from the Lotsa llamas collection. And I'll open one up so I can show you. I love llamas. Like literally right across the street, right there, I can look through my craft room window and I can see some llamas. And every time we go for a walk, I talk to the llamas. So I love llamas. And I've already done a page about llamas. So I wish I would have had these. So I might have to do another one for sure. So there's flowers and a mountain and a sun. So I got 2 of those, which is awesome because I love the flowers. Actually, I love them all. And this one is from the Easter 2018, and it's all blues, which I love. It's sequins. Then we got an acrylic piece that says "Get Cheeky." So I love that. And then this is some bows, white bows. And then some of the embellishments. This is from the Lotsa llamas die cut, or ephemera, I guess she calls them. So let's open them up and see exactly what's in there. So tons of little llamas, and like I said, I have zoo pictures too. I just thought of that I took pictures of llamas, Mason feeding the llamas, so I could do those pictures. So there's tons of llamas, all different sizes. Some of them you can tell they're little boys, some of them are little girls, and they're all different sizes, and that's what I like. I like having different sizes. So tons of llamas, little trees, again, mountains, different sizes of mountains, some little banners, some flowers, more flowers, and then more trees and little suns. So tons of embellishments. There's just all kinds. Okay, so that's the Lotsa llama. And this is little Project Life cards, or there's 3x4 cards and, oops, sorry, and 4x6 cards. I should have opened it before. Okay, so let's start with the 3x4. So there's one with hearts, yellow hearts. I love that. Blue hearts. Little scallop. Oh, it must go with the Lotsa llamas. More little flowers and a little saying. Look cute. My heart smiles because of you. And then the 4x6 cards. Little stars, little scallops, little triangles, tone on tone with some ovals, I guess. You make me happy. Triangles in pink, then stars in like tan, and then just, is that letters or just, I think it's just like to make it look just full. I'm trying to see if there's any words in there, but I don't think so. I think it's just like little zigzags and all that stuff. So those are cute. Okay, so this one is, let's see what this one is. It's so full of die cuts that I can't even see the title of the die cut pack. So let's take it out. I think this might be the Easter one. Yeah, Easter 2018. Oh, I love those feathers. Okay, let's move some of that out of the way. Those feathers. And then there's like plants or leaves and banners. More feathers. Well, that's cute. It's like all done up for you. So basically you put it on and you got your layering done. Another one of those. Some of that with leaves or feathers. Oh, that little bunny's cute with an air balloon. Little basket with a bunny. And then all kinds of feathers. I love these to tuck them in to an embellishment cluster. So there's tons and they're all different sizes. There is tons of die cuts. There must be at least 50. I've never counted them, but there must be at least 50, 45, between 40 and 50 for sure. So a whole bunch. So that's the Easter one. I love the colors. That's the Lotsa llama. We'll put that there. And then I asked her if I could order some stuff and she could put it in with my package. And she said yes. So I'll just show you quickly what I got. This is the Wildflowers set number 1. I won't open them all, but this goes together. This is the Flamingo Fun. So there's little flamingos, little pineapples, little watermelons, little banners. Super cute. And then I got the flare. And then I had gotten the Lotsa llamas because I absolutely love llamas. And then I got the Wildflowers set 4 because I'm almost out of this package. I had it before, but I'm almost out. The Wildflowers set 2. And this one is unicorn and rainbows. So there's little unicorns and little rainbows in there. So they're super cute. And then she has a Canadian package. So I got the Canadian package. It's super cute. Let's open that one. I gotta see that one. Okay, so there's balloons, Canada Day, some banners, Canada flag, a little beaver with a Canadian flag. That is all little hearts with maple leaves in it. That's cute. Poutine, yes. Maple syrup, yes. Actually, it just reminded me I ordered some maple syrup. I'll have to make sure to get that. A little mousse, July 1st, and more. Oh, and some pancakes and syrup. Super cute. So a ton of Canadian stuff. So that's it. That was my design team package, and then some extra stuff that I ordered. So that's it. That's my design team package and some stuff that I ordered. And if you use Nicole Jones 911, you'll get 10% off your first order. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.